Hello everyone, welcome to the very first video of our Microsoft Word Fundamental series. If you haven't already installed Microsoft Word, please do so, and then you can unpause the video and come back. As soon as you have Microsoft Word installed though, when you open up the application, you should get a view that looks something like this, and we're going to go and explore just some of the different options here. So if you've used Microsoft Word before, you'll probably have some documents appear here in your recent section. If you don't see the document that you're looking for in the recent section, you can try to search for it, or you can select more documents, or you can just open up the file assuming it's saved locally on your computer. You also have some documents that you may have saved as favorites and documents that have been shared with you. Beyond that, you can also select different templates if you don't want to create a blank document. So if you click on more templates, you can select different categories up here, but there's all sorts of templates that you can select. You have invoices, business reports, cover sheets. There's resumes on here. There's also other templates that you can download online and import into Microsoft Word as well. And if we go back to the home screen, you'll see over here there are some options that are not showing up. And the reason for that is we don't have a document open. If we had a document open, we could actually save that document as like a Adobe PDF, for example. If we don't have the document even saved, we could save as, or we can save it to get a local copy. We could also get info of the document that we have open. But what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and open up a blank document, and that's where we're going to pick up in the next video. So you see the blank document option, go ahead and select that. And then I will see you all in the next video.